There's no point of saying that we are in the business of making films because leave films aside, there is no point of doing anything unless you know your why. So the question is, why do we make films? We believe it's a myth that a film can propel a great idea, a product, a service, or achieve a predefined purpose on its own. Films can't do that. Films can't take action, but audience does. We make films for that one moment when audience sits back and watches our hard work. It's a pleasure to observe the ideas, the emotions, the smiles, the excitement that we embed in a film come alive on the faces of our audience.
Abhay?
Every film's purpose is to generate a feeling in its target audience, which no matter how subtle, leads to some sort of a perception or action. And our purpose, our kick, is to induce that perception or action every single time. That's what we live for. That's what makes us jump out of the bed every morning. And that's why we make films not for us, not for our clients, but for only one person. The person who's gonna watch that film.
Neither our creative egos, nor our personal visual sensibilities, not even the client's idea of a film. The audience is above everything. Because if the audience is taken care of, the client is happy, we're happy, and all goes well. The fact that almost 90% of our clients are repeat clients is itself a testimony of NBFT's work culture. It's a matter of pride for us that our films have always achieved objectives they were made to fulfill, and within deadlines. Fingers crossed.
Today, the kind of relationship we have with clients is such that we work on their films and they are totally relaxed. And it happens at times that we deliver the film last moment at the venue, at the presentation venue, and they approve it on the sets. And while we are asleep, they call us. They call us and make us hear the roaring applause of the audience. And that feels good. We were chosen from 600 plus production houses to co-produce, co-direct and co-write India's first collaborative feature film, The Last Act.
बहुत भोले हैं आप। अरे निवेदन थोड़ी ना कर रहे हैं आपसे। कल 10 बजे।
The film was released as a PVR's Director's Rare to a standing ovation and rave reviews.
Fiction and short films are our first love, and it's becoming increasingly clear that these internet videos are a great tool for corporates and brands to communicate with global audiences.
Filmmaker Anurag Kashyap collaborated with us on this, and our script, Cheer Haran at Pandav Nagar, was chosen among many scripts to be directed by the esteemed director into the viral hit, That Day After Every Day.
For the change, I was doing something which was not originated from me, and the script came to me by Nitin Bhardwaj, and I said there's a great seed idea and I wanted to create the mood.
The film went viral with more than 5 million views and counting. At NBFT, we understand the complexities and subtleties of the marketing world because we've been there.
Providing 360-degree audiovisual solutions for brands and companies, we've already acted like a film backbone through the evolution of various brands.
Our films have positively influenced top decision makers to invest millions of dollars in companies. They've helped sell products and services. They've inspired employees and managers. They've helped clients hire the right kind of manpower. And the list goes on.
We are NBFT.
We are NBFT.